이게 켜진 거구나. 너무 이렇게 돼 있으니까 예쁘다. 와, 예쁘다. 귀여운데? 빨리. 이거 좋아해?
그치?
괜찮은 것 같은데?
근데 아까 그게 더 좋지?
응. 너무 귀엽죠? Like a little cup of tea. 오, 예쁘다. I want a 선반.
나 30불밖에 안 해.
오, 선반? 귀엽다.
야, 우리 이거 사갖고, 야, 이거 사갖고 걸어야 되겠다.
엄마 이 침대 어때요? 왜냐면 자는 엄청 편하네.
가까이.
와, 예쁘다.
여기 왔던데 안 해?
이거 뭐야? 이거 어떻게? 아. 응? 이게 켜진 거구나.
이거 귀엽다, 야.
이거야?
이것도 귀엽고.
네, 그쵸. 맞아요. It's all water, ice that melted now. We were in there for 3 hours. 3 hours 맞죠?
2시간 반.
2 hours and 30 minutes, which was
머리는 있지.
oh, 2 hours and 40 minutes, which is way longer than we anticipated. But
1시간이면 될 줄 알았다.
she thought it would take us only 1 hour, but it took us almost 3 hours. I have a problem with IKEA where I see one room and I have to go into it because I want to live in it, and that's for every room. Good. So last time I decided to organize my makeup box. I moved my makeup into 2 boxes, but then later I just moved it to this one tray like this because I didn't like how it was taking up 2 boxes and it just looked really messy. So it looks like this right now. But today at IKEA, I bought this whole storage thing. So I'm going to try to make it work and try to fit everything in here and just in this top tray. So I'm just going to open this. This thing is supposed to like stand up like this and you're supposed to put brushes in here, but I'm going to take this out and use this separately. Wow, it fits literally right in, like perfectly. Like fits in really nicely. That's pretty surprising. I'm glad it does fit though. Oh, this is kind of an issue right now. Because it looks messy like this, I'm just going to cover it with a towel. This is basically it for my video. I'll see you next time.